There are websites like this one published by trade journals and industry groups for just about any field you can name. Browsing with Internet Explorer, let's take a look at this article. Let's say that once we've read it, we want to use it in other ways. To print this page, we'll use the Print button. If you can't see all of a toolbar, there are usually arrows at the end that display the rest. We click the button. The page is sent to the printer and will print just as you see it, including graphics. We can also save the page as a file on our hard disk for future reference. We open the File menu and select Save As. We can choose where to save the file, and we can change the name if we want to. We'll give it a more specific name. For the type of page, we can save it with alt text layout and graphics either as an HTML file or for sending later as email. HTML is the format used to create web pages. It allows web pages to display in any browser. We can save the page as HTML only without any graphics or other related files like sounds. And we can save just the text on the page as a text file that can be read by any other program. We'll use this last option to make it easy to refer to this information later. Then we click the Save button and the file is saved. Now we want to use some of this text in a document we're writing with our word processor. First, we copy the text we want to use by dragging with the mouse. Then we open the Edit menu and select Copy. To deselect the text, we click Anywhere. We've already started our word processor, Microsoft Word, so we switch to it using the button in the taskbar. We make sure our cursor is where we want the text to go. Then we open this Edit menu. We'll use Paste Special rather than Paste because we want to paste the text without any of the formatting it had on the web page. In the dialog box, we select Unformatted Text, and then we click OK. The text is pasted. Then we make a note about our source for this information. We switch back to the web page. Besides using this information ourselves, we know someone else who would be interested in this, so we'll email it to them. We open the File menu and select Send. We have the option of sending this page by email or of sending a link to this page. Sending the page makes sure that the recipient gets this information even if the page on the web changes. Sending a link is good when you know the recipient will visit the site soon, or if you want to refer them to the site itself rather than to any specific information. Sending a link also keeps the email message size small so it downloads quickly. We'll send the page, so we click that selection. A message window opens with the page name as the message subject and the page as an attachment. When the recipient gets this message, they'll simply open this page in their browser. We could now complete this email adding the recipient and any other message text. To send the message, we'd click Send.